Ever wake up feeling drained even though you got a full night's sleep? You're not alone. A lot of us struggle to find the energy to get through the day. But what if I told you there are simple morning hacks that can change all that? In today's video, we're diving into the best morning tricks to boost your energy levels and keep your feeling unstoppable all day long. If you're ready to transform your mornings from sluggish to supercharged, keep watching. 1. Power of hydration. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, which can lead to that groggy, tired feeling. Kick off your day with a big glass of water. For an extra boost, add a slice of lemon. Not only does it taste refreshing, but the vitamin C kickstarts your metabolism and aids in digestion. Try this every morning and you'll notice a significant difference in your energy levels. 2. Morning movement. It doesn't have to be a full-blown workout. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching or light exercise can get your body flowing and wake up your muscles. This movement releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which will leave you feeling more awake and positive. 3. Fuel your body right. Your body needs the right fuel to function at its best. Skipping breakfast or grabbing a sugary snack can lead to energy crashes later on. Instead, opt for a balanced breakfast with a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think eggs with whole grain toast, a smoothie packed with greens, or oatmeal topped with nuts and fruit. These foods release energy slowly, keeping you full and energized throughout the morning. 4. Get some sunshine. Natural light plays a crucial role in regulating your body's internal clock. Exposing yourself to sunlight in the morning helps set your circadian rhythm, making you feel more awake during the day and sleepy at night. If you can, step outside for a few minutes in the morning. Even a short walk around the block can do wonders for your energy levels. No time for walk? Simply sit by a window and soak up some rays. Your body will thank you. 5. Mindful morning practices. Another powerful way to boost your energy is through mindfulness. Starting your day with a few minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can help reduce stress and anxiety, which often drains your energy. Focus on your breath, clear your mind, and set a positive intention for the day. This simple practice helps you stay centered, focused, and more in control of your energy throughout the day. 6. Skip the snooze button. And finally, say goodbye to the snooze button. It might feel like you're getting extra rest, but those extra minutes are often more harmful than helpful. Hitting snooze can lead to a fragmented sleep, leaving you feeling even more tired. Instead, try to wake up on your first alarm. If you need a little help, place your alarm across the room so you're forced to get up to turn it off. You'll find that over time, your body will adjust and waking up will become easier and more natural. By incorporating these simple morning hacks into your routine, you can say goodbye to waking up tired and hello to endless energy. Remember, the way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. So why not make it great? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Share your favorite morning routine in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and here's to more energized mornings.